Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to permanently delete your WhatsApp account. If you are using WhatsApp and now you want to delete your WhatsApp account, so let's see how can you do that. You have to simply open your WhatsApp and here go for settings from the bottom right corner and then select account from here and then select delete my account, and here you just have to enter your phone number on which or from which you want to delete your account. So I'm going to enter mine. Once you have entered your phone number, you just have to tap on delete my account, and here you just have to wait for it until it's loading, and after that you can select any reason from here, but I'm going to just select next from here and then select any option from here and then select delete my account from here. Once you have done, your WhatsApp account will be permanently deleted. So in this way you can easily delete your WhatsApp. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.